Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Serpentine belt 2007 Honda Pilot. Begin by parking on level ground, setting the parking brake, and disconnecting the negative battery terminal. Gather tools including a Serpentine belt tool or breaker bar, replacement belt, and gloves. Consult the belt routing diagram under the hood or take a clear photo before removal. Keep fingers clear of pulleys and use steady pressure when releasing tension to avoid slips. Release the tensioner slowly and move the belt off the smallest pulley first, then work around to free the belt completely. Keep track of the belt path or use your photo to ensure correct routing later. Inspect the tensioner and idler pulleys for smooth rotation and any play, replacing them if rough or noisy. Clean pulley grooves of debris and verify all accessories turn freely before fitting the new belt into place. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with those leak-proof containers I mentioned. They are great for sorting bolts, clips, and small parts while you work, and they stack neatly in your garage. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful repair guides. Check the description for the product link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Fit the new belt onto the main pulleys, leaving the tensioner pulley for last so you can ease it on with the tensioner released. Use steady pressure on the tensioner to create clearance, then slide the belt onto the final pulley and slowly release to apply tension. Rotate the engine by hand 2 full revolutions to settle the belt and confirm proper seating. Start the engine briefly to verify quiet operation and correct belt tracking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.